Hello and welcome to Brampton Chrysler. My name is Rohan and today we are talking about how to prevent losing your keys and replacing them. Here is some general advice on preventing you from losing your keys in the first place. First and foremost, if you have extra copies, give one to your friend or a family member. Also, if you are tech savvy, they make apps for finding your keys if you lose them, which is done via Bluetooth. You can stream it from your phone and find out where exactly or how close it is to you. Now you can try the old school way, which is getting a little lockbox with a magnet attached to it, sticking it to the undercarriage of your car and stacking your keys in there. So if for some odd reason you do manage to lock your keys in your vehicle, you'll always have a second set nearby. Now, what about when you lose your key? Should you call a locksmith often? They can come to make another key for you to start the car. That can be a good idea for old model cars without immobilizer tilt in them. If you have a more modern car with a immobilizer built in, that's going to be a different story. This brings me to my next point. Is it more challenging to replace the immobilizer key than a standard key? Now, it is not more difficult. However, it is very specific on whom you can get to do it for you. Many times you have to go to your manufacturer to order a key. Sometimes they just need a simple VIN or vehicle identification number. The key is usually laser cut keys. They are not just regular straight cut keys. If you do not have a laser cut key, you will have to go to your local dealership where you can get the vehicle or manufacturer who makes the vehicles to get one duplicate. Well, thanks for watching. My name is Rohan, and if you have questions, please comment below, or if you would like more information, contact us at Brampton Chrysler today.